Hey y'all, welcome to All NC Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. Here we are at the Love's Travel Stop in Grand Junction, Colorado. On the map it looks like a great stop along I-70, but let's take a closer look at what it's really like for drivers. Parking is one of the biggest issues here. If you show up late in the evening, good luck. This lot fills up fast, and you might end up circling or squeezing into a tight spot. If you plan ahead and stop earlier, you'll probably be fine, but it's definitely not the easiest place for parking. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. Inside, it's the usual Love setup, snacks, coffee, and hot food. Nothing out of the ordinary, and honestly, it can get crowded. During busy hours, you'll be shoulder to shoulder with other drivers and travelers. Showers here are clean enough, but wait times can stretch out, especially at night. It's not the worst, but you'll want to check in before you commit, so you don't get stuck waiting longer than expected. And if you're hoping for a quiet night, forget it. With trucks coming and going all night, plus the highway right next to the lot, this stop is noisy. You'll get your rest, but it won't exactly be peaceful. Overall, the Grand Junction Loves does the job. It's fuel, food, and showers, but it's not the easiest stop if you're looking for parking or peace. Plan your timing carefully, and it'll work. But if you can push on to the next stop, you might save yourself a headache. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to join me on the next journey. This is All NC Traveling, bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. Thanks for joining me here in Grand Junction, Colorado. Joining me here on All NC Traveling. Every stop has its own story. Whether it's a truck stop, a rest area, or a small town street, I bring you along to see it all, just as it is. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe and come along for the next journey. More towns, more roads, and more real travel experiences are just around the corner. Until then, see you at the next stop.